It's the end of the day. You finish dinner, tidy the kitchen, and finally sit in your favorite chair. But when you get up, your knees feel stiff. Your arms don't have the same push. Even simple movements feel heavier than they used to. And you think, is this just aging? Here is the truth. What you eat at night may decide if your muscles stay strong or slowly fade away. Before we go deeper, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Every week, I share practical tips on energy and health, designed especially for people over 60. ULL discover how small daily habits like tonight's food choices can add years of strength and independence to your life. Today, I'll reveal how a simple nighttime snack can help you rebuild muscle, fight weakness, and wake up feeling stronger after 60. It sounds small, but research shows that the right fuel before bed can slow down muscle loss and even restore strength. Think about it. Your body never stops working even while you sleep. And if you give it the right tools, it can use the night hours to repair and rebuild. After 60, something happens inside your body that few people talk about. You lose muscle while you sleep. That's right, your muscles actually break down overnight, unless they're given nutrients to protect and repair themselves. This explains why so many seniors wake up feeling stiff in the morning, struggling to get out of bed easily, weaker or more tired than before they went to sleep. And the problem is bigger than just feeling tired. When you lose muscle, you lose balance, you increase your risk of falls. You feel less confident doing simple tasks like carrying groceries. The hidden culprit: most dinners or bedtime snacks are loaded with carbs and sugar. They fill your stomach but leave your muscles starving. So, what should you eat before bed? The answer is one key nutrient: slow digesting protein. Why? Because while you're asleep, your body needs a steady trickle of amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. And slow proteins deliver exactly that, hour after hour, all through the night. Examples include Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and warm milk with whey or casein protein. Add in magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds or almonds and you help your muscles relax, improve recovery, and even sleep deeper. This is not about eating more. It's about eating smarter before bed. Here's the breakthrough. In one study, seniors in their 70s and 80s who ate protein-rich snacks before bed gained muscle mass and strength. Imagine this. While you're sleeping peacefully, your body is hard at work, repairing tissues, rebuilding muscle, and protecting your independence. And here's the best part. You don't need to train like an athlete. Your body still responds, at any age, when you give it the right fuel. Here are 3 simple nighttime snack ideas to power your muscles. 1 small bowl of Greek yogurt with chia seeds, protein plus fiber that lasts through the night. A glass of warm milk with collagen peptides. Collagen helps joints and muscles repair while you sleep. Cottage cheese with a handful of berries. Casein protein plus antioxidants for recovery. These combinations not only feed your muscles, but also keep your blood sugar balanced, so you wake up refreshed instead of drained. And just as important, avoid the worst nighttime choices. Cookies, crackers, or sugary drinks rob your muscles of repair and fuel nighttime inflammation. They might help you fall asleep quickly, but you'll wake up feeling weaker. Think about all the years you've spent building your independence, working hard, raising a family, creating your life. Don't let weak legs or tired arms take that away. You are not too old to build strength. Your body is still listening. Tonight, your plate can become your strongest ally. Every bite before bed is a choice to feed weakness or to feed strength. Let me ask you, how many times have you said, "I'll just grab a cookie before bed"? It feels harmless, but over weeks and months, those empty snacks slowly chip away at your energy and muscle. Now, imagine instead choosing a simple bowl of yogurt, a handful of nuts, or a glass of warm milk. That one decision night after night adds up. After 2 weeks, you'll notice less stiffness in the morning. After 1 month, climbing stairs feels easier. After 3 months, your muscles are firmer, steadier, stronger. Strength after 60 isn't about massive change. It's about tiny choices repeated daily. And your nighttime snack may be the most powerful of them all. So, before you go to bed tonight, ask yourself, am I feeding weakness or rebuilding strength? Because your future strength isn't built in the gym, it's built in your kitchen and rebuilt in your sleep. If this inspired you, drop a comment right now. I'm feeding my muscles tonight. And don't forget to subscribe, because every week I share practical tips to keep your body strong. energized, and independent after 60. In our next video, I'll reveal silent kidney warnings after 60. Don't ignore these 7 signs. Stay tuned, you can't miss it. Stay strong, even while you rest. Until next video.